day 3. We made it out here to one of the many public parks out in San Antonio, just kind of for a little walk out today before we hit some of the stuff that we're doing. But pretty eventful day. Had some breakfast and got ready, all that jazz. Having a lot of fun out here. It's been a really different experiencing everything by myself and kind of just doing what I want to do when I want to do it, kind of thing, and just having fun. You don't really need to be with a bunch of people to be having fun. I've been having a freaking blast out here, just walking around and experiencing a city I really like. This is a nice little bridge we got right here. Very cool. Alright guys, we're finally here at the Riverwalk. Just went and did a lap around the mall. Saw it to try to see if there's anything I wanted, but yeah. So, let's get it started, man. Very pretty out here, not too busy. Alright guys, that's a wrap on day 3. We'll go ahead and head back to the hotel, chillax for a little bit. Pretty eventful day, man. Pretty happy with it. Just got done with dinner. See y'all later. Hey guys, we made it back to the hotel. Something cool about the hotel that I'm staying at is that there's like this little park kind of thing outside of it. And it has like a putt-putt course for all the people who are staying at the hotel. So I thought I got a little bit extra time before I'm trying to head to bed. Thought I might just do the course. So I guess we'll start with hole 1. Kind of see. I'm not a good golfer, so we about to be freaking bad. Let's just say that here. So we'll start here at the first hole. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Can we get it in 2? Oh, I overshot that so much. Oh, let's see. And now I undershot it. Let's go 4. Okay, I'll take 4 on the first hole. Ugh. Let's see. Let's go ahead to our second hole. It's just a straightaway. So, I'm just gonna keep bouncing off the back of this one probably. Let's see what we can get. was a good amount of force, but it was off, man. Can we get it in 2? Yeah, we got it in 2. Yeah, this is really fun, honestly. It's like 9 o'clock at night right now and there's nobody around. So I'm just having a blast out here. All right. Let's see how hole 3 takes us. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, it circled the fucking hole, dude. All right, I'll take the 3 on hole 3. I'm actually not doing as bad as I thought I was going to do. I thought, like, this was gonna be just the most embarrassing golf video you'd ever see. But it's honestly not too bad. Can we get it in 2? Let's see. And we got it in 2. Let's go. I'm honestly not even keeping track of my score. Y'all can. But yeah, hole 5, man. I think we were at like what, 4, 2, 3, and a 2. Yeah, so here's hole 5. See where we want to set up the tripod. See, for this one, just kind of get it down at the hole. You see that? You see that? Yeah, we hit it for 2 again. Let's go. Oh, I'm honestly having way too much fun with this, dude. 9 p.m. golfing. That's the move, dude. Let's see here. Put you right up here. Oh, it just brimmed over the hole, man. Let's see here. Oh, gotta kind of come around the tripod. Oh, we hit it with 3. Nope. 4. We'll take it. We'll take a 4. Stuff stuck on my glove. Oh. See, we got 3 more holes left. What can we do, man? So she up at this hole. Can we go for 2 again? I don't know, man. I think we went for 2. Oh. Hole 8. We getting there, bro. We getting there. Oh. This one's got like a little turnaround. It's kind of hard. Let's see what we get here. Now we got it on the straightaway. Let's see what we get. Ooh. It hit a tree branch in the way, man. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. Oop. Hit the tripod. I got it. So that was what, 3? Bro, it was the first hole that got us. The first hole we've had the worst par. All right, let's see. This is the final one. This is 9 for all the bones. Alright, you couldn't see that, but it was pretty bad. Just gonna narrate that one for y'all. Oh no. Okay, so we're at 2. Alright, there we go, there we go. Oh, it's perfectly lined up. Can we get 3? I was too cocky on that one. I shouldn't have been that cocky. Y'all saw that, and I saw that. That was, man, that was too cocky. All right, let's go for, what is this, 4? All right, there we go. Oh. So that was our nightly putt-putt. That was really fun, honestly. I might run back through it again, just because. But that was pretty fun. It's called the Dolphin Mini Golf Course, because the hotel I'm staying at is like right next to SeaWorld, even though I'm like not even going to SeaWorld. I don't know. I decided to go to this one because it seemed kind of fun. Like they have an arcade inside and everything. The arcade's kind of mid, but yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna call day 3 here. Had a pretty eventful day. I'm getting pretty tired. Gotta wake up in the morning for all the big stuff we got planned for day 4. So, I'll see y'all then.